Here's all the ingredients that you would need to have a apple celery carrot smoothie. First, we want to add our coconut water to our blender. Our coconut water is going to have antioxidants. It's going to be great for hydration. It's also low in calorie and it tastes really, really good. Then we want to add and wash our celery. Make sure the celery is all well and clean. We want to get everything rinsed off. You want to cut the celery into little bitty pieces so it can blend well in our blender and get all those ingredients that we need. Celeries can also help with reducing blood pressure, can help with detoxifying your body, and it could possibly help with arthritis. We also have that as a good inflammatory property. Then we want to add our carrots. We need to wash our carrots as well before adding them to our blender. Cut them up finely. Carrots can have help you with eyesight as well. Then we want to wash our green apple. The green apple can be very good in helping us with getting bacteria, the good healthy bacteria in our gut, and it can help with digestive system, which is also well and great. Then we add our frozen mangoes, which gives us a fresh, smooth, creamy texture that we like. The mangoes can also help with also the antioxidants that we need for our health overall. Then we want to add it to our blender all together. I also added lemon juice on top of this, which can also help with immunity and vitamin C. We'll blend it all together, make sure it's all well and dandy. And then I have this Hamilton blender, which is great. But sometimes we need to adjust it a little bit to make sure everything goes down to the blade. So I'm going down with a little wooden spoon and just mashing all of the ingredients down closer to the blade so we can make sure it's all well and dandy and it all blends very good. So just keep in mind on that with this blender and some of the blenders that you would use. You just want to blend a little bit at a time, push the fruits and everything down to the blade, which is also well. Then I'm going to try again to blend this all together and make sure it's all well and smooth and gets everything all together for that creamy texture and well-rounded feel that we need. So everything is all blended well, which just makes a good, lovely taste and all smooth look to our nice and creamy, healthy apple, carrot, and celery smoothie. And I know it's going to be great for all and everything that we enjoy. Then I pour it all into this cup, and then there we go. We have this smoothie for our start of our day, and it's all well and dandy. Have a lovely day and subscribe.